lahat, ako po si Rene Bueno, ang Presidente at CEO ng Counselors for Immigration and International Studies or CIS. Ako po ay isang education advocate, isang traveler, isang ekonomista, abogado, at higit sa lahat, isang coffee lover. Dito po sa aking channel ay magbibigay po ako ng mga kaalaman tungkol sa inyong mga legal na karapatan at mga tips kung paano guminhawa ang inyong buhay sa pamamagitan ng isang magandang pundasyon sa edukasyon.
Hi po! Ako po si Hezekiah Balugay and I'm here to tell you my story. At first, I did the application myself, but my knowledge towards it wasn't enough, so it caused some delays and complications. But then God directed me at CIS. And fast forward, CIS helped me with my Canadian student visa. And then, God willingly, I got approved. So, yeah. And not only that, because CIS also helped thousands of people to study or work abroad in the US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and so yeah, huge thank you to Attorney Bueno, Ma'am Olive, and to the whole CIS team. And may God bless us and our heart's desire. Thank you! See you in Canada!
Hi, my name is Jaden Kailan and nandito po ako ngayon sa office po ni Sir Bueno. Alam niyo po ba na next week ay aalis na po kami ng dad ko papunta po ng Vancouver, and para po sundan yung mom ko, yung ate ko po, and yung brother ko sa Vancouver. I just wanna say na thank you po for Sir Bueno and sa CIS po for helping me and my family para po sa Canadian dream namin. And if you want to have a better future, I recommend Sir Rene Bueno of CIS. Kita-kits na lang po sa Canada.